Hello everybody, Mrs. Torres here, your school counselor, and today we're going to learn the rules for using a fidget, because if you misuse it, you will lose it. Fidgets are tools, not toys. Fidgets can sometimes help students focus better in class, but only if used correctly. While using a fidget, your hands may be moving, but your eyes stay on the teacher and your brain is thinking about what you're learning. I use my fidget quietly. So if we're using a fidget, our mouth is quiet, we're not banging it on the desk, we're not touching someone with it, we're using it quietly. Fidgets can help me feel better when I'm overwhelmed or when I have too much energy in my body, but I have to stay seated. I can use my fidget to get my energy out. Always follow adult directions when using a fidget. If you misuse it, you will lose it and you will not get another one.
If you received a tangle, it looks something like this. A tangle is used to roll around in your hand. You could stretch it, you can squish it, it rolls up. You can even break it apart. But the rule is, with a fidget, your hands can be moving as long as your eyes are looking at the teacher and your brain is thinking about what you're learning. Fidgets do not stop you from doing your work. Now let's talk about how to use a squishy grip. If you received a squishy grip, it goes on your pencil like this, and it's really fuzzy. After you place it on your pencil, when you're overwhelmed, you can feel it with your fingers, you can squeeze it, you can rub along the little pokey things, they're really soft. It's kind of like fur, like rubber fur. As you do it, make sure you take deep breaths to stay calm while you're doing your work or while you're learning. This is not a toy. This is a tool. So if you misuse it, you will, that's right, lose it. These are the rules for using your fidgets. Enjoy!
These fidgets were brought to you by the BRAVE campaign. The B stands for breathe. The R stands for relax. Remember that fidgets can help you relax and feel more calm. A, ask yourself what you're feeling. Do I have too much energy? Do I have not enough energy? Am I upset? If I am, B, voice your feelings to safe people. Adults in your life can help you with these big feelings. And E, encourage others to be brave.